Today, we're going to be upgrading my other setup. This is my always-on PC that I use for CCTV footage storage and streaming, and for when I have visitors, right? To be honest, I haven't been using it as much as I wanted to. My plan was originally to have it as my second setup to use for work, but I wasn't able to use it. So today, let's change that. Before anything else, I want to thank the sponsor of this video, Loop Alloy. Loop Alloy provides a wide variety of desk setup mounts, accessories, and even adjustable desks. Ma'am Jen from Loop Alloy was kind enough to provide me with a couple of desk mounts that I can use to make this video possible. Now, on to the video. There are a couple of things I wanted to change with this desk setup. For one, I wanted to add flexibility. That means moving things around whenever I feel like it, depending on what I'm doing. This is where the monitor arm comes in. I'm not going with the wall-mounted monitor arm because in the future I wanted to upgrade the desk to a height adjustable one. Secondly, I wanted to make the desk look cleaner. Thankfully, the monitor arm comes with cable management grooves that will fit that purpose. This setup never had speakers on them. Whenever I had to listen to something, I would always have to get the headset, plug it in, and then listen to the sounds. But I felt that I could change that. So I got a budget speakers from Logitech. This one costs around $650. It's not the best experience, but it beats always trying to get the headphones just to listen to the music. For the mouse and keyboard, I went with the G213 and the G102 from Logitech. These are great budget options which I actually reviewed in the past, and they provide a nice RGB which you can sync with the Logitech G Hub app. I also added a Logitech mousepad just to complete the theme. You can't complete a desk setup without the lights. I agree, completely. Unfortunately for this video, the lights I ordered from Lazada did not come in time. So I went with a tube light from Ace Hardware just to complete the look. And lastly, you'll need some decorations. The fake plants I've been using in the past never fails me. So obviously I added those as well. So let's get to work. Let's check out the monitor arm first. I want to talk about this a little bit. While it may look simple, it's important to check if you actually have the right monitor and desk for this. This is a VESA compatible mounting system, so you will need a VESA compatible monitor for this. While most monitors nowadays are VESA compatible, every now and then you'll come across the ones that are not out of the box. So look out for that. If your monitor is not VESA compatible, there are still ways you can mount it by using the adapter by Loop Alloy. And now for the desk. You will need a desk that's at least 2.5 centimeters thick and wide enough to cover the plate of the mount. My desk was an MDF 2.5 centimeters thick, so it fit the build perfectly. If you have a lifetime table, I know a lot of you guys do, it can still work, as long as you add enough filler to make sure the clamp has a good hold. You don't want your monitor to fall down just because you didn't secure it properly. Now, let's get to the real work. I am pretty happy with the results. The dual monitor arm setup allows me to use one arm for the monitor and the other arm for a laptop or an iPad. Sure, there's still a lot of room for improvement. I can still improve the cable management, maybe add LED lights to improve the RGB on this setup, but for now, I think this is a good upgrade for this setup. And that's the end of the video. If you want to know more about cable management, click this video right here. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.